In this video, I will show you how to search for, troubleshoot, and audit data across multiple recipes with speed using Workato Logging Service. This automation looks for critical customer issues that are resolved and updates support teams on the status, sends out a notification to the requester, informs the customer success team, and finally deploys a customer satisfaction survey. As you can see, it uses 3 recipe functions that are reusable across multiple recipes. But one of the challenges is troubleshooting or auditing the output of each step in this automation. For example, if the customer success team was not informed, or if the customer satisfaction survey was not deployed, I have to go to the job report of each recipe and search for the issue number. As you can see, this can quickly become tedious and painful as the number of issues grow and the number of dependent recipes grow. Let's look at how using Workato Logging Service can simplify this experience and make it faster and easier to troubleshoot and audit. Instead of manually checking the job history of 3 or 4 recipes, spending time to figure it out, I can store and view the job data from each recipe from a central location. To store the log data from the recipe editor, I'll add an action and select the Logger by Workato connector. Here, I'll enter the relevant information such as the case number, issue key, and others. Once the data is mapped, it's important that I store this information. To do that, I'll toggle on Send to Workato Log Service. And to store the information for each recipe, I'll do the same for each of the recipe functions. But for the sake of time, I won't walk through all of them. But just as an example, we can see how the logging step looks for the Send email to ticket requester recipe and the details being logged. Now with the primary recipe and the 3 recipe functions updated, I'll test. In Jira, I'll resolve the issue for SM862 and update its status to Done. To view the logs, I'll go to Tools and select Logs. In the default view, there are many logs stored by various recipes. To refine my search, at the top of the table, I'll click Data and search by the Jira issue ID SM862. And now I can click into each row to review the data from each recipe. Walking through the logs of each recipe, I see that for recipe RF Notify Customer Success Team, the recipe email is missing, resulting in an error. Now with that info, I know where to look and can now go to the recipe to resolve the issue. Now I covered one example to trace data stemming from one automation feeding into various recipe functions, but you can use Workato Logging Service to log data flowing in from multiple recipes, data through a chain of events, and logging changes in bidirectional sync automations. Workato Logging Service is a convenient way to store data across multiple recipes in one central location. You can always find more information in our docs at docs.workato.com.